Topics for today are Object-Oriented Programming Language, that is OOP, Object-Oriented Programming Language versus the procedural one, and concepts of Object-Oriented Programming Language that are inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Starting with the first one, that is Object-Oriented Programming Language. Well, Object-Oriented Programming Language is a platform that works on the concept of class and object. So, a class is a collection of attributes and behaviors. That means data member and method. And on the other hand, object is a real world entity. So what is a real world entity? A real world entity are the one which we can touch, feel, hold, etc. They hold the property of the class. Suppose a class of humans. That human class will have some property like height, gender, age, color, and behaviors like walk, talk, work, eat, etc. and etc. Well, I, you and everyone are object of human class because we hold the property of human class that are like walk, talk, eat, etc. For different objects of same class, its property and behavior will be same. The difference can be in number, like someone can be of height 7.5 and other can be of 13.5, one can be male or female. But it holds same properties like all of them have height, gender, age, color, etc. Now, let's see the difference between object-oriented programming language and the procedural-oriented programming language. The first one is object-oriented programming languages are divided into object, and in POP, that means procedural-oriented programming language, they are divided into function. The second one is axis modifier are used in object-oriented programming language. The third one is object-oriented programming language have high reusability of code due to concepts like inheritance. On the other hand, POP does not have any concept like inheritance, so the reusability of code is low. The last one is compilation time. Object-oriented programming languages offer fast compilation time as compared to procedural-oriented programming languages. Now let's see the concept of object-oriented programming languages. The very first feature is inheritance. It is a process of transferring property of one class into another class. Well, a property can be a data member or a function or a method. Suppose every child has some common properties of their parents. That means class of parents have transferred their property to the class of child. That is the concept of inheritance. The class that transfers the property is called the parent one, and the one that holds it is called child class. The next is polymorphism. Polymorphism means having more than one form. For example, a man is also a boss, a child, and a father. That means the man have different forms that are boss, child, and father, and each form perform different tasks at different situations. The next one is abstraction. Abstraction means to show essential features without showing the background details. For example, we all have switchboards. The essential features that we need to know is on and off, and the background detail is the circuit that we need not to know. The last one is encapsulation. It is the wrapping up of data member and method in a class. For example, in a capsule, a number of ingredients are wrapped. Here, the capsule represents the class in which number of ingredients that are data member and method are wrapped. Well, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.